Hey, you
Huh?
understand that stuff we doing?
Some of this stuff? What are them steps?
Equations.
Oh, no.
Man, me neither.
I ain't got it yet.
I guess don't nobody know how
So
to do it.
dope. I'm about to crash out.
Somebody ain't got it. You mean tell me all these teaching and exampling and all right, okay. So let's think about it a different way. Let's say you and your classmate here were given a condo free of charge, a two master bedroom condo. There was just some specific rules you had to follow every day. Did you do it? Let's see. So check it out. This is your kitchen here. Nice, right? Now the kitchen is one of the most important parts of this story. I want you to recall that a variable represents an amount that we don't know yet. Now, in our class, a variable is usually a letter. But for this story, we're going to use this container here. Well, if I told you there was some money in this container and I asked you how much was in here, your response probably will be, we don't know yet. So this will be our variable in the story. How many containers are in this box here? Great. 3. It is written 3 containers. Now, how many are there now? 5. Correct. You're doing good. Just remember to use this because anytime there is more than one container on the same side, you have to put them together and give me that amount. Let's say there were some containers in the left side bathroom. And we just.
In the bathroom.
Sorry, Pop.
Shut the door.
All right. Let's get him 3 minutes, maybe even 4. Now, in this condo, every day, there'll be a couple of dollars lying around. The money lying around is not a variable. It is constant. We know how much that is. And there'll be some containers lying around as well. All the containers in the house have to be on one side together, while all the money in the house has to be on the opposite side altogether. Sounds simple, right? Not so fast. Ain't nobody give you no condo just for doing a little bit now. Gotta do a little bit extra.
There you go.
Now, let's go back to our house. Now, the kitchen area. The kitchen is what separates this condo into 2 sides, a left side and a right side. Now, the thing is, whatever money is already on the left side, just put it together.
Okay.
Right on the left side. Any containers on the left side, put that together. Now, any money on the right side, put all that together. And any containers on the right side, let's put all of that together. Remember that the goal is to get the containers to one side of the house and all the money to the other side of the house. That's the only way to determine the amount that's in the containers. There is a certain way you have to move. Anything that goes across the kitchen has to be different than what it was before we start moving it. Remember this. Anytime you want to move the cash or containers from one side to the other, you're going to have to use its opposite. Okay. At this point, we've already put all our cash that's on the right side, put it together. All the containers that's on the right side together. All the cash that was on the left side, that's together. And all the containers that's on the left side together. So far, on the left side, we have 5 in cash and 4 containers. On the right side, we have 2 in cash and only 1 container. So, let's move some containers first. And that's what we're trying to figure out. Let's move that first. Now, I say move the smallest amount first. All right, if you're going to move some containers, let's move the smaller one to the other side of the house. So we're going to move that one container from the right side to the left side. And anytime you're moving something like this, you move its opposite. So the opposite of 1 is -1. Now, when we move that container, you should not see any more on the right side. We moved that to the left side. Now, we have on the left side 5 in cash. We have 3 containers on the left side. And on the right side, we have 2 in cash. Now, we have all our containers to the left side. That means we need to put all of our cash on the right side. So that means we should move that 5 in cash to the right side. Remember what I said? If you're going to move the cash from one side to the other, you must move its opposite. So what's the opposite of +5? -5. So move that -5 to the right side. All right, do a little math. Now, when we did that, on the left side, we have 3 containers, nothing else. On the right side, we have -3 in cash, nothing else. Now, it looks like we have our containers and our cash separate. Almost. There is a number beside our containers that we can have. When you're done with the problem, it should just be container equals an amount. So, to move a number that's right beside your unknown, in order to move that coefficient that's right beside your unknown, you have to divide. There's no opposite now. You divide by exactly the number you see. So, because there's a +3 beside our container, we're going to divide by +3. All right, do that on both sides. When you do that, the 3 should go away, divide out, and you're left with a container on the left side equals -1 in cash on the right side. Now, I didn't say it was always going to work out like you wanted it to. I said if you figured out the amount, you can keep the condo.
Always complaining. Tell me, I want a condo, but I don't want to do no steps. No, but honestly, solving equations is not difficult, but it may require a little practice. All right.